Look at this. It's a chandelier. Oh wow.
2 counterweights, double counterweight. Is it like multiple speeds?
No,
You just move the lever and it goes. And
Yes,
you take
sir.
it back and it stops.
right.
Gotcha. Oh,
Get out?
what?
Do you need to get out?
Oh no, we're just.
Fine, whatever.
Oh, I just, you know, do you want to go back down?
Sure.
That's cool.
Need it again?
Yeah, do you think.
If you'd like to, sure.
Sure. I got a few minutes.
Very cool. Is there another one next to this?
Yes, it doesn't get used that often.
Oh,
The reasons why, I don't know. I've only been here for like 3 months.
Fair enough.
So I'm still getting lost. Just getting, the place is huge. Have you been around the building
No.
before? Oh, yeah, it's huge. And for everything that they have finished and being used,
So
they have
stop
an
by
equal
itself?
amount. They have an equal amount that's just raw. It
just doesn't-
Yeah, it hasn't had anything done to it yet.
Interesting.
So yeah, the place has got just.
Oh, that's like the event center that I
Yes.
take everybody to. Makes, and then this is how they bring everyone up.
No, I mean, I think for certain things, but it's mostly used for when we have something huge.
Like a big event.
Yeah, because the freight elevator won't handle,
Like that.
I think this goes to,
10,000.
yeah, 10,000. I think that one's only 5.
Do you think we can operate it?
If you want,
Nice.
you have to push this in and then push it right. And if you want, you can let it
Could
go.
I have a go after him?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here,
Sure.
excuse me. Does it stop by itself on one?
Yeah, but then the thing is, when we're gonna stop it for real, you gotta line up this tape with the tape. See, that way, you know. Right.
Nice. All right, your turn, buddy.
Right. Here we go.
Look at this.
I guess a way is up towards the
Yeah.
back. I feel like that's how they usually go.
And I'll come on it tomorrow and forget.
Oh yeah, it saves me.
I grew up not far from here. When we were kids, we used to ride our bikes around this place. Long before it was this, it was still a factory.
Oh, you just come in and ride around?
Not in the building, but you know, like in the middle, there's like the dock that's inside there.
yeah.
We used to, because after hours, there was no one here. Weekends, no one here. So, and I never knew that 40 years later, I'd be working.
Small world, huh?
Kind of. Sort of. Alright, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Bring this up. Also, notice how one of the counterweights is 2-to-1, one of them is just 1-to-1. And yet they both go the same speed.
That chandelier is like the best.
It's so cool.
They really care about this elevator. A little bit low.
Oh, almost got it.
I think twice I managed to get it the first shot.
Yeah. And then you're just like, yeah, I did that.
It's so satisfying.
Okay?
Yep.
Awesome, thanks. This is cool.